Let's find the perimeter and the area for the triangle where it has three sides, 10 inches, 24 inches, and 26 inches, with a height of 9.2 inches. To do this, we'll first find the perimeter, and the perimeter of a figure means that we're adding up the sides of that figure, the total length. So in our case here, the perimeter, which we'll label as P, would be 10 inches plus 24 inches plus a remaining 26 inches. Adding these up, we would have 10 plus 24 is 34, and 34 plus 26 gives us a total of 60. If we were to add up all three sides, we would have 60 inches as a total length. So the perimeter of our figure is 60 inches. To find the area of a triangle, we'll use the formula in the lower right side. The formula for a triangle where we have a length of a base, B, and a height, H, is the formula A equals 1/2 B times H. So we'll first write down the formula. A equals 1/2 multiplied by B times H, where our B, our base, is 26. So we'll label B as 26, and our height is 9.2. So replacing these numbers in our formula will look like A equals 1/2 multiplied by the base, 26, multiplied by the height, 9.2. To multiply these numbers out, first we realize that 1/2 times 26 is half of 26. 2 goes into 26 13 times. So far our area would be 13 multiplied by 9.2. And to demonstrate decimal multiplication, we'll do the long multiplication of this. So over on our right, 13 multiplied by 9.2. So in order to multiply this, we'll start with the first column, 2, and multiply 2 times 13. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2. Below the 6, we'll use 0 as a placeholder, and next multiply 9 times 13. 9 times 3 is 27, carry the 2. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 more is 11. So adding these place values up, adding these columns up, 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 7 is 9, and a pair of 1s becomes 1196. Since we have one decimal point behind, or we have one decimal place moved between the 9 and 2, starting at the right end here, we'll move one decimal point here. That means that 13 times 9.2 becomes 119.6. That's the area of our triangle. And what that represents is that if we were to chop this triangle in the region inside of this, if we were to chop it into squares, we would have 119.6 square inches. So the measurement for area is in square units, and that represents all the material on the inside of this triangle. So the perimeter is when we add up all the three sides, and that would be a total length of 60 inches. And the material on the inside of this triangle has an area of 119.6 square inches. And that's our answer.